Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Shots. In this video, we're gonna learn of how to create a dice using Python. As we all are in lockdown mode and to keep yourself busy during this time, games are at rescue. In this duration, people are finding new ways to pass their time and playing Ludo is one of them, the game of dice. What if the dice is misplaced or it is lost? Don't worry, you can create one using Python. So let's start. I am using Jupyter Notebook interface here. Dice creation. A dice is a small throwable object with marked size. As you know, they are used for generating random numbers. So a rough algorithm for this would be numbers, that is from 1 to 6, as I hold these numbers. Check the numbers if they are correctly printing. And next would be to print the face with the design of the die, and the last would be obviously to build the looping. Let us first design a die. For that I am using print statement quotes, again print this, again use a print statement with this design, spaces, and end with this. Delete one space. I'll copy this twice for a larger size, and I'm going to print this at the end again. Let me print this and check. Yeah, this looks cool, a cool design. So we need 6 numbers now and it should be random. So for that I'm importing random library. Import random dot rand int. Rand int is a method of random library to generate random numbers. So here I need 1 to 6 numbers, between 1 to 6 any number, and that should be random. So hitting on this generated 1 now. Hitting on this again and again will generate different numbers. As you can see here, it is 4 now, it is 5 now, it is 5 again, 2 now. So let me assign it to a variable called number. Now let's create a variable x equal to y. I'm using while loop here. While x, I'm not using an assignment variable now, it is equal to. When x equal to y, copy this, paste here. If my number equal to 1, the die should throw a marked side of 1. So I'll copy this design and I'll print it here. With correct indentation, which is this. So it should be 1. So I'll add a marker 1 in the middle, which is this. This is how it looks. Now, if number equal to 2, it should have 2 mark size, which will be this here and here. Yeah. If number equal to 3, it should have 3 marker size. Be careful with the indentation. This should be 2 if number 1, if number equal to 2, if number equal to 3. So the 3 die will look like this. adjust this properly. Yeah, this is 3. If it is 4, it should have 4 marker size. Let me add another hyphen here for correct indentation and correct die size. Yeah, it look good. For number 4, it should have 4 markers, which will be here 1, here 1, 1 here, space. Okay, let me add off here. So this designing and adjusting will take a few minutes of your time to design it properly. Yeah, this looks good to me. Now if it is 5, it should have 5 marked sides 5. So I'll add 1 here. This will make it 5, right? Next would be 6. So if it is 6, it will be 6 mark sides, which will be 1, 2, 3. I'll remove this in middle. Yeah. And at the end, I'll add a input here as x equal to input of press button y. You can add any button to roll the die or to roll again. Now let me print this. There is some error here for number 1. Oh, because there is no space here. What's the error? Let me check if the indentation is correct. Oh, look, I have given a assignment operator. It should be a equal to double equal to. So that was an error. So let me add equal to from 1 to 6. Now it should work. See, it has printed 2 numbers. So press Y to roll it again. Press Y, enter. It is 3 now. Press Y, it is 4. Press Y, 6. Press Y, 2. So this is how you can create a die using Python. Have fun. Thank you.